boy. Okay. I'm gonna just put the camera down and just deal with this. Because, yeah, it's just more of the same. Getting snow off the truck. What I did with the car was I just drove it out in the back lane and I shoveled it all off and let the plow deal with it. But look at this. Jesus. Alright. Get back to it. That's the windshield. Okay. Snowball. Alright, so tonight we're gonna camp out in a snowstorm, I believe. It's about 6:30 p.m. or so right now, and she's coming down. It's probably already about 2 inches or so. I don't feel like cooking anything tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and walk down to the old Wendy's just up the street here and grab myself some cheeseburgers. And hopefully when I get back, my little space heater will warm up a bit. It's already getting quite warm in here, so yeah, so hopefully once we get back it'll be nice and warm, and then we can watch a movie and enjoy the blizzard tonight. The temperature right now, where's my phone? The temperature right now is -11 Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's pretty warm as far as I'm concerned. I mean, where I live, it's very warm. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and walk over to the Wendy's and get myself some supper, and yeah, I'll find a movie on the tablet and enjoy the night. Yeah, so far it's already warming up here pretty good. Okay, so just heading over to the fast food joint, and as you can see, actually I don't know if you can see or not, but it's coming down. It is coming down. Oh boy. Yeah, there's at least 3 or 4 inches now, or 2 or 3 inches. Getting pretty heavy, and my hand's getting pretty cold holding this camera. Okay, well, I'm not gonna bring you along for the whole journey. It's like a good 10-minute walk, so I'll grab the camera on my way back, and yeah, hopefully I survive this walk, because it's coming down pretty good. I should have grabbed some gloves. Okay. Oh, got our Wendy's, and I'm trekking back. I'm 30 seconds away from the truck, and I'm covered in snow. I'm freezing my balls off right now. Hopefully that truck's warm. Okay. Oh, slippery. Look how much snow. There, good garage light. Turn the light on here. Put the camera down for a second. Okay. Oh. It's a little bit warmer in here than it is outside. I think we can manage this. piece of tape stuck to me. Okay. So, got some cheeseburgers. Nice cheap junior bacon cheeseburgers. Nothing fancy. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this while it's nice and warm. I'm also gonna look for a movie on the old tablet here. We'll see what we can find. I know recently I've been having an issue actually finding something to watch on the Netflix or Amazon Prime or Crave or whatever. It seems like I've just seen everything a million times already. Okay. Yeah, it's not too cold in here. I can deal with this. Do you know what show I absolutely hate? I think it's the dumbest show. They never should have made it. It's that Cobra Kai show. I mean, I'm sure some people like it, but I think it's just so cheesy. Oh, you know what I wanted to watch? I wanted to rewatch the Matrix movies and eventually rent the new one there. And see, look, apparently the new one's got pretty bad reviews, so that has never stopped me before. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my supper. I got Matrix started up here. What is it? Matrix Revolutions. And, yeah. I'll grab the camera when, I think it's time for, bed. I mean, it's about 7:30 now. I usually hit the hay around 10-ish. I like to wake up early. And, yeah, so, I'm gonna enjoy my supper, and, I'm not gonna bore you guys with me munching down on a couple burgers, so. Alright, that was fantastic. I tell you, these ladies at the Wendy's down the street there, they know how to make a good burger. I tell you that. So yeah, I got this sink here. I was gonna install it in the countertop here, but I think I'm going to change it up in here come summertime, so I don't really want to cut a hole in this countertop just yet, because I might not even be using it. Not 100% yet on that, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Also got this vent that I want to install somewhere amongst here. Yeah, and of course, I hate this fiberglass. Not too fond of the color of it and all that. So what I'm gonna do in the summertime, obviously not right now, and hopefully come summertime, lumber comes down in prices, and I'm not spending an arm and a leg just to do what I want to do in here. But I want to get that tongue and groove boarding, and I just want to line the walls and then stain it and whatnot, and probably redo the countertop and redo the whole counter and redo the bed so that it folds up, so if I wanted to actually haul stuff again, I can. Because that's actually been the biggest downfall of this truck camper. Although it is handy when I'm camping and whatnot, it becomes a pain when I actually want to go pick up something. Because I buy a lot of stuff off of Marketplace, and you know what? I can't pick up anything anymore. It's been like 2 years, and it's been a hassle because I see dirt bikes and stuff on basic Marketplace I want to buy. But I can't, because I can't pick it up, and the guy won't deliver it, and I'm not going to spend a couple $100 to get a guy to pick it up, so. And I'm not that guy who borrows trucks from people. That's just a hassle. I would never loan my truck out, so I'm not going to ask for someone's truck. That's kind of how it is. Yeah, boy, that Wendy's is good. Wish I got more. So it's warming up in here. I can still see my breath, but it's not as bad, so I can tell it's warming up. The big issue is just I can't keep opening up that back window. If I keep opening up that back window, all the cold air comes in here and all the hot air goes out, and I have to start all over again, pretty much. Yeah, and I don't like putting this thing on high. I have it on the eco setting, which I think is like 900 watts or something like that. But it, yeah, it heats up good just because I got the light running here, I got the light here, and then I got the garage and my block heater. And it's only on one 15 amp circuit, so I don't want to pop the breaker or anything. I'm pretty sure if I put it on high, it'll pop the breaker. So I'm not going to try, because I know this works just fine. I've been in here when it's like minus 25, 30 out, and the 900 watt works just fine. You just gotta kind of cuddle up. I got a blanket here, and I got a thermal blanket here, so I'm golden. I'm golden for sleep. But yeah, so as far as the movie's concerned, I was gonna watch The Matrix, but I ended up watching The Big Lebowski. I mean, I think this is probably like the 50th time I've seen it, but I don't know, I just didn't really feel like watching The Matrix for some reason. It just seemed, I don't know, I wanted more of like a comedy than more, didn't want to watch some action adventure movie. Plus it was like 2.5 hours long, so that's that. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna hit the hay, and yeah, what else can I say tonight? I mean, it's only 9:15. I might just sorry, 9:45. I might just watch some like Family Guy or something till I fall asleep. I think that's the plan. I don't feel like tossing and turning, so yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, I'll show you my fat belly. But yeah, I go to sleep, and then in the morning, I forgot all about that. In the morning, I'm gonna have to shovel a whole heck of a lot of snow. Yeah, that's not fun. All right, so good night. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Gotta put this bad boy on high. Man. Well, I slept the night for the most part. I don't know, I think it stopped snowing, I don't know, 4:30. Maybe a little earlier than that. What time is it? Okay, 7:15. So I slept for a good portion of the night. Oh, I hit the yawns right now. One thing I love about sleeping in the back of the truck in the winter is just the nice crisp air. I don't know, I swear I sleep a lot better. Like, I'm not snuffed up or anything like that. Like when I'm sleeping in the house, I wake up and I gotta blow my nose and stuff, but not when I'm out here. So I'm guessing the air quality is a little bit better in the back here, just because of the wilderness out here. But yeah, that was an enjoyable night. That was definitely enjoyable. Big Lebowski is always a good movie. The Dude, and yeah, I know it's dumped pretty good out here because this whole window is covered in snow. It's because it was blowing at this side the whole night. Yeah, pretty bad. Holy smokes. Yeah, I got some shoveling to do. Oh boy, okay, well, I'll bring you guys to that. I'll show you the truck when I get my boots and stuff on here. Oh my god. Okay, so we're outside of the truck here, as you can see, obviously. Oh man, the snow's horrible. It's blowing around like crazy. Look at the truck. What's that? 1.5 feet? Foot? Okay, well I gotta get the snow off of the truck here, so that should be fun. My old little shovel here. Okay, so in the front here, and it looks like we probably got about 8 inches of snow in total. It's about the size of the shovel, so fairly deep. Got the path in the back here all mowed down, and just working on the front here. My stairs have disappeared. Alright, fun. Alright, the front is all done. Look at that. It's like 3.5 feet high there. It's craziness. Craziness. If you ever wanted to live in Winnipeg, probably a bad idea. Alright, so now it's time to tackle the back here and get the snow off the truck, because you leave that on there, you get one warm day, and next thing you know, you can't get your doors open because it's all iced over. So I also got to get the snow off the car and then in front of the driveway. I've already been at this for probably 45 minutes or so. Jeez. Alright. Oh boy, well there you have it, folks. Oh, the neighbor's yelling at something. Look at the snow. My truck's lifted. You can't even see under it anymore. I made this little nook here in the snow. I don't know if it's gonna be big enough, but I think I'm gonna have a little bonfire there. Put a little chair there. Enjoy the mild weather right now. Oh, man, I tell you, that's a heck of a lot of snow. I'm sure my hair's a mess, but I think we're gonna call this video right there. Stick around for the next one. We're gonna have like a bonfire, and probably gonna cook something in the back. It's supposed to be some pretty mild weather in the next few days, so it's perfect time to do a little bit of truck camping. One of my favorite hobbies. Yeah, unfortunately I can't really go anywhere. Where I live, the campground's basically just shut down in the winter. Not all of them, but a few of them, at least the ones that are nearby, that are practical for me to do a weekend trip. They're not even worth going to. Luckily I got the backyard here, so I can still continue on enjoying the camper. Yeah, we're gonna end it here. I got nothing else I gotta do today, so I'm just gonna relax and make the video, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Take care. Subscribe. It's a new channel, so everything helps. I appreciate everything, so again, take care, and hope you have a good day.